afternoon to everyone from the service of Planet 101.1. This Life Beyond Certificate show. It's a time to learn. It's a time to really rejig. If your plans are not really working out, you can re-strategize. You can think out of the box. You can try something new. Someone said the other day that you'll be considered probably a lunatic if you keep doing the same thing again and again. What's that thing that you keep doing again and again without no results? I think it's a time to do some rejigging. A rejigging of your plans, a rejigging of your strategy, a rejigging of your attitude. Today is going to be like a question and answer session. I'll be here to attend to all your issues that has to do with digital skills and making money online. I'll be throwing open the phone line so that you can be part of the show. You can send in your name and your location. You can send in your questions and we'll be here to resolve your questions. Probably you're doing some business and you want to go online. You don't know how to go online. You don't know how to start. You don't know the issues, how to come out of the issues. You're running ads on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and nothing is really working out. And you feel everything about the online space is a scam. No, it's not a scam. All you need to do is just to rejig. All you need to do is just to think out of the box. So it will be you and I on the show. We'll have a regular segment, but today will be somehow unique from the conventions because I'm going to share with you some tips that have helped me. I'm going to share with you some quotes that have helped me. I'm going to share with you some things that will inspire you. Sometimes I tell you on this show, we don't just educate, we inspire because there's a place for all these things. There's a place for inspiration. I understand there are some persons that will say, motivational speaker. Yes. If you check very well, some of these motivational speakers, the good ones, they're earning good money from it. And they're not just earning money. Some of them are into business. So if you meet a motivational speaker who is not into business, who is not into anything serious that is adding money and adding value to life, no need following. No need learning from him. So there's a place of motivation. There's a place of learning. There's a place of education. And there's a place of pushing. There's a place of pushing. Sometimes you meet people who have lost enthusiasm. They've lost attitude. They've lost the real life. They need something. They need some kind of push. They need someone to push them. So we are here to push you. We are here to push you into your blessings. We are here to push you into your destiny. We are here to push you to learn something that will help you earn. We are here to help you. We are here to inspire you to push, to keep moving. So don't go anywhere. It will be you and I on this show. You can watch us live on Facebook. Just search us out on facebook.com/lifebeyondcertificate. You can also follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. All you need to do is search us out. Life Beyond Certificate is the keyword. So today's show is going to be a blend of inspiration, education, motivation, and everything good you can ever think about. So don't go anywhere. We'll be all the way with you. Life Beyond Certificate show is the show you're listening to right now. Anyway, this Life Beyond Certificate show. And if you just joined us, our giveaway is on. All you need to do is send your name and your location to WhatsApp number 080-6255-6036. All you need to do to be a part of our giveaway today is send your name and your location to WhatsApp number 080-6255-6036. We offer giveaways in free digital skills, things you could learn at 100,000 or for 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, skills that actually could cost you a whole lot to learn. We make them available for you at an affordable rate. But on this show, we do a giveaway. So apart from the regular trainings, we do giveaway. So if you're lucky today, you will end the show winning our giveaway ticket. So all you need to do is send your name and your location to a WhatsApp number 080-6255-6036. Let me say the number again. All you need to do is send your name and your location to a WhatsApp number 080-6255-6036. And you could just be the lucky winner of our free digital skill giveaway. We give away digital skills on mobile app development, drop shipping, website development, blogging, vlogging, and a whole lot of other things. Cybersecurity, multimedia production. In a short while, we'll be launching our cartoon channel. So keep watching our space, Life Beyond Certificate. We have lots of exciting things that we'll be bringing to the whole world. Our target is the globe. So don't go anywhere. This Life Beyond Certificate show. A show that inspires you to see the real world beyond the paper qualification. On the show, it's a blend of inspiration and education. I told you when we started the show that I'm going to bring to you quite some quotes that have helped me and still helping, and I believe so much is going to help you. Updates from us on our YouTube channel, Life Beyond Certificate Show. Life Beyond Certificate. Search us out on Google, on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Twitter. Life Beyond Certificate is the keyword. There's some things I say that will help you, and our giveaway is still on. All you need to do to participate in our giveaway, send your name and your location to WhatsApp number 080-6255-6036. What's that thing holding you back? What's that thing that's keeping you from aspiring? From the quote of Paul, sir, he said, stop holding yourself back with excuses and doubts. I understand everyone has some kind of disadvantage or the other. I tell people in life, a lot of people are, things are gravitating towards the internet world. So whichever profession you find yourself, don't give yourself excuse for not advancing. Don't feel that because I've not gone for my master's program. Let me tell you, the reason you're not successful is not because you've not done a master's program. It's not because you don't have that big money to enroll for something. No, it's not. It's just the will to keep moving. It's not about the excuse. So don't give yourself that excuse. Don't give yourself that excuse. No matter how apart you think your life has fallen, pick up those pieces and move on. No matter how you feel things are going down. My parents, they died at the point I needed them most. A lot of persons have such issues too. There are some persons, like for example, now you see the ASU schools being shut down. Yes, to some it's a perfect excuse. The reason I'm in the house eating, I'm adding weight, the reason I'm in the house not doing anything, ASU is on strike. But you see some persons will refuse to take that for excuse. They will look for something they can develop. They will make this time useful. I tell you, some students are becoming millionaires from just this issue. Some students are learning things that are exposing them to virtual jobs. The other day, one of our trainees landed a $500 job. He didn't stay up to 2 months. So there are a lot of opportunities coming up in the digital space. So don't give yourself that excuse. And you see some person will feel, I've retired, what can I learn? I tell you, the more you keep giving excuses for not advancing, the more you excuse yourself from the opportunities life is offering. Because every day, there are lots of opportunities life is bringing to us. Lots of opportunities that life is introducing to us. But you keep excusing yourself by reason of your excuses. You keep telling yourself, I can't make it. You keep telling yourself, I can't do it. You keep giving yourself all the I cannot. Nobody's ready to hear that excuse of I don't have any parent. I don't have, I know some time ago someone said I didn't have shoe for 11 years. Of course, we've not seen half of what a lot of other persons have gone through. Yet we are ringing bells around our quarters. We are wearing labels of impossibilities. We are wearing labels of I cannot. We are wearing labels of I can't succeed. We are wearing labels of our limitations. Nobody's interested in seeing those limitations. You need to rise above those limitations. Nobody's ready to hear those excuses. Nobody's ready to hear those excuses. My uncle, my aunt. Who told you those uncles don't have problems? They have issues too. They're dealing with us. We feel one politician or the other is going to help us. It doesn't always work that way. You must refuse giving yourself that excuse. There's something I will want to put across to you. Do you know the meaning of acts? I will bring to you a nice understanding of that act. Taking action. That's the word, taking action. That's the word, act, ACT. It means action changes things. It can as well mean attitude changes things. Your attitude about life is what will change that. Your attitude about life is what will give you that victory that you desire. Your attitude about life. Some of us have not seen suffering, yet we feel we have suffered too much. I tell you something, the moment you understand purpose, that suffering will not become, you will not see it as suffering, you see it as sacrifice for a better future. The reason you are seeing that suffering as suffering is because you've not understood purpose. The suffering that you feel you're suffering, it becomes nothing. The suffering, sitting, sometimes some persons will sleep for 5 hours. The moment you wake them up, they feel like, oh, why did you wake me? You see some persons studying for 12 hours, doing some work for 12 hours, and even working all night, and they'll feel like, oh, it's another day for work. Some persons are actually celebrating weekends, while some persons are feeling, why should they be weak? So location wouldn't be a boundary. Location wouldn't be a barrier. We've had experience of teaching people within and outside the boundaries of this nation. I'll tell you, I'll encourage you, don't give up. Still reach us in our office. We'll have a special discount for you, those of you that listen to us.